How to use the power of faith to get what you want. Why believing in your goals before you achieve them is an advantage. In this message, I will give you my examples of how to use the power of faith to get what you want. Did you know that successful people utilize faith as part of their strategy? I've been writing for a long time, and I've seen writers give up because they lack faith. Why do they give up? It's because what they want to achieve takes time, and when your dreams take a long time to materialize, if your faith is weak, you will give up. Faith plays a crucial role in bonding your dream with reality. It helps you fend off 4 things. 1. Anxiety. 2. Disappointment. 3. Heartache. 4. Discouragement. The reality of your environment may have you thinking that you cannot succeed. But faith overpowers that feeling and gives you a promise that if you do your part, it too will play its role. When you believe in yourself and talent, no matter what life throws at you, if you understand that in the end you'll succeed, if you do your part, you won't throw in the towel ever again. Why the power of faith kicks in when you need it. I remember when I wanted to quit, and there were times when I did quit because of disappointment. Discouragement usually kicks in when you conduct a self-assessment of what you've put in, but the results are not visible. You self-audit what you've done, and as for me striving to reach millions of readers, I did a lot to try and succeed. I listened to advice, I was intentional in my ways, I didn't fight with anyone, and I gave diligently hoping to please God so that He can give me my dream. And do you know what happened? Nothing. The more I was intentional, it's as if the ocean wind died, and I was stagnant, dead in the water. The more I pushed hard to realize success the next day, nothing happened. Why faith keeps you grounded and helps you manage your emotions. There are times when God limits your potential not to hurt you but to help you grow and manage your success better. If I had succeeded a long time ago before I understood emotional intelligence, my influence and wealth would have destroyed me. At the time when times were hard and my anxiety was causing me to give up, appreciating what I know now wouldn't have happened, and I'm glad that I had faith to keep on keeping on even when I didn't see a successful end in the end. How to use the power of faith to get what you want. Faith keeps you grounded, and when you do your part to do what the world requires of you to succeed, in the end you will succeed. I learned what I needed to learn. I deflected what I needed to deflect. I asked for help, which gave me an advantage over my challenges. Faith kept me going when I wanted to give up, and I did give up many times only to wake up the next day and keep on keeping on. Don't give up if it's your dream. It will take time, and that's okay. Keep on keeping on, and it will make sense one day. Conclusion. How to use the power of faith to get what you want. If you're breaking barriers and you're overcoming something that means a lot to you, you need faith in your arsenal. I'm successful today because I did my part mixed with faith to get this far. I'm successful in life because I use faith every day.